All plastic is made from a type of molecule called as polymer. A polymer is a long chain of repeating unit. Sometimes other chemicals are added to this polymer to give the other properties of plastic like durability or flexibility. Most of the plastic used every day come from petrochemical source, which is fossil fuel and they are not renewable. These plastic also do not break down naturally and have to be recycled in the long term. Because of this, the number of bioplastic being created increasing to avoid more environmental impact. According to Monica 2021, bioplastic is a plastic material that has been produced for renewable sources such as vegetable oil and fats, plant starch, sawdust, wood chip, straw, and recycled food waste. This renewable source has a natural polymer which can be turned into plastic product.
The objective of this experiment is to produce bioplastic using potato starch and identify the characteristic of bioplastic from potato and commercial starch. Now, let's see how to make bioplastic. Oh no, before that, this is the material and apparatus that used for make a bioplastic. Okay, first of all, the potatoes have been cleaned. Then, peel it and dice into a small cube using a knife. After that, place the potato into a beaker, add some water, and then blend it until it becomes even. Next, filter the mixture over a beaker with gauze cloth. Cover it with aluminium foil and let it for 3 days. Afterward, the starch appears at the bottom of the liquid. Then, to get the starch, fungi was removed. The liquid have strained and leaving the starch at the bottom. And the potato starch was transferred to aluminium foil using a spatula. Then, it had been placed in an oven at the temperature of 50 Celsius to be dried. After 3 days, resulting in light brownish lumpy powder. From it, the potato starch obtained was matched using pota and pasted to become even powder. Then, weighed on aluminium foil using a digital balance to obtain 5 grams. Prepare 100 ml of distilled water and 15 ml of glycerol. Then we may start. To begin with, the starch had been added to the beaker, followed by 100 ml of distilled water, and then stir it with a glass rod. Bring the beaker on a hot plate, heat, and constantly stir with the metal stir. At the same time, the thermometer is used to monitor the temperature. When the mixture reaches 85 Celsius, it begins heating for 20 minutes while constantly stirring. After that, add 15 ml of glycerol 5 minutes before the end of the 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, pour the solution into a petri dish until it reaches 45 grams on the digital scales. Then, for the final step, after 3 days dry, the bioplastic were obtained. And last, to see the difference, all the steps were repeated by using a commercial starch.
This is the final result after 3 days dry in room temperature. Based on the result, the differences in the color of the bioplastic is clearly visible. As it can be seen in the picture shown, a bioplastic produced from commercial starch appeared more clearer compared to the bioplastic made from potato starch, which had a slightly cloudy appearance. Therefore, this video shows the comparison of both bioplastic in terms of texture or its properties. As it can see through the video, once the plastic is dry, it becomes harder but will also retain a lot of its flexibility. Both bioplastic exhibit similar elastic properties, but as for the bioplastic made from potato starch, the bioplastic may not seem impressive at the moment, but it holds the potential to substitute petroleum-based plastic according to its elastic properties.
In this experiment, 2 types of bioplastic has been produced as shown in the video. It using 2 different sources of starch, which are commercial starch and starch extract from potatoes. Potato was used because potatoes are rich in starch. According to Activist 2021, Starch-based bioplastic are considered more environmentally friendly than traditional plastic because it derives from renewable resource. Moreover, creating bioplastic is easy with potato starch because it easily obtained. But other than potato, tapioca starch also can be used because it has a high degree of purity and can be used to produce transparent, glossy bioplastic. As mentioned in the previous result, the bioplastic turns out cloudy because there is an error during the filtration of potato starch, which failed to remove all the fibers, resulting in a slightly brownish thing mixing with the starch. During the process of bioplastic, glycerol has been used as one of the most important ingredients. So what is the function of glycerol here? Glycerol actually is a plasticizer, which means it enhances the flexibility and moldability of the bioplastic material. It also helps to reduce the brightness of bioplastic and improve their overall mechanical properties. Next, according to ABE 2021, the process involved in the production of bioplastic starch retrogradation. In starch retrogradation, especially with amylase molecule, a double helix structure forms due to increase the hydrogen bonding when the starch solution cools down. Starch gelatinization influenced by water and plasticizer turns starch into the thermoplastic material for bioplastic. To make bioplastic, the gelatinizing solution is deposited on a surface, dried in an oven, and undergoes retrogradation to create a solid film. This process is called casting technique, which can be seen to obtain desired shape in a molding. For example, due to potato starch and glycerol was mixed, allowing it to dry, become a bioplastic based on the shape of the petri dish.
Then it clearly showed that this experiment achieved the state objective, the environmentally friendly process in line with the trend of sustainable alternative, showing that potato starch can serve as a viable source of bioplastic due to its biodegradability and easy accessibility. This bioplastic referred to the specific characterization of it, including elastic, durability, strength, etc. As a result, all findings should be evaluated considering the material used. Thank you.